The chair is just cracking and making all sorts of noise. This has bad news
Spread apart.
written all over it.
You better move, dog.
This is how we trim the tree. Ooh.
This is redneck tree trimming. Chair.
I'm losing my balance now.
It was just a whiff. Oh.
Oh, I don't know what's cracking the chair or the.
Tree don't have a rope.
That is the problem branch right there. And that is the problem solver.
Now I'm just going noodle.
You need to get at it from the side angle that I was on and hit it downwards. Now you're losing your leverage.
No names of Dre. Oh, yes! Son of a bitch. Tell you what, don't nail me with it, but I'll get it.
By the way, they have an extension cord now that they are trying to sling over the tree limb. This is how we do it down in Hicksville. Now I sign knots in my extension cord.
You just use a floppy noodle, it's just gonna flop.
Lasso that horse, baby.
You almost got it that time. You gotta do it from like that. Oh.
So close. Oh. This is good entertainment, y'all. Oh, hey, they're excited. They got it. Hold up now. Don't fuck it up. Y'all are seeing this, right? We now have a rake involved.
That's how we do it in my God.
And heave ho.
Are you serious?
Oh my God, and it won't let go. Y'all see this? And we're back with the shovel. It's the new improved pinata, y'all. It never breaks. I hear it cracking.
This is like...
It's the unkillable. It's hanging by a thread. thread.
A thread of a thread. This is stupid.
Literal thread is holding that up there. Quentin, just jump up and grab it.
You probably could.
Actually?
Yeah, don't let it fall on you. Are you
Oh my
serious?
God.
Are you freaking kidding me right now?
It does not want to come down.
Do you want the spade?
Come here, Non.
Quint, what? This has a handle on it.
Yeah.
Shovel number 2.
Oh, don't let it fall on you. Go on, get out from underneath that thing.
Put your hook on that little piece that's poking out there. Monkey fucking a football.
It's getting away from you.
He's back to the big guns. Shovel number 1 is back at it.
Whack-a-mole. Except just not with a mole.
It's the best pinata ever. It's Quentin, it's literally a tiny thread now.
Dog, you're gonna have to move.
Can't you just reach up and grab it?
Maybe?
Oh.
There you go, hungry fella. My poor chairs are
Them
dead.
chairs are shit.
Big hard yank, Quentin. And it's down. Woohoo! And the dog said, "Give me that big stick."
Mr. Accomplished. How long have we been going for that?